Hi everybody, I'm Buff Ame. You guys haven't met me yet, but today is actually my birthday and I really wanted to spend it with you guys. What do you guys think? I've been working out. Huh? I've been working out for like a few months now, getting ready just for this date. Hi Kiara, welcome back.
Ame.
Yeah.
I'm back. I need you to twerk.
Oh, okay. Alright, just this one time. Only because you asked. The chat asked, I wouldn't do it. But because it's Kiara, you know.
Cause sparks like the ba ba boo, bobby doo bee doo boo, boo 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 boo. Yes! Okay.
And she's got YMCA. Hey. YMCA.